Hey guys, in this great episode we are gonna create a simple bold thin text animation with After Effects. Let's jump in! Type a short word like wow, then select the layer, hit Ctrl Alt Home to set the anchor point to the center, then press Ctrl Home to align the text. Then right click on the layer, create shapes from text, add offset paths, and let's animate the amount parameter. As we can see, the text becomes smaller, so we should fix this. Get out your rulers and let's get down to business. Drag it from here to the edge of the letter. After that, let's animate scale. Don't let the letters cross the lines. Excellent. Then go to the shape layer, unfold it, go to the letters W, find transform and set a keyframe next to position for both letters. Then animate this parameter slightly like this to make the animation look chic. Alt click on these 4 little stopwatches and type here loopOut, open parentheses, quotation mark, pingpong, quotation mark, close parentheses. Select the expression, copy it and paste in the other 3 bars. Now the animation goes back and forth literally like a ball in ping pong, so we don't need to create additional keyframes. Select the keyframes, hit F9 and in the graph editor adjust the speed like this. In that way, the animation became smooth. Pre-compose the layer, open it up, click here and select the area like this. Then go to Composition, crop comp to region of interest. Then select the layer, press Ctrl Home to align the text. Hit Tab and go back to the main composition. Find Motion Tile effect and apply it to the layer. Then set output height to 300 and that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if so, then definitely check out my social media links in the description. I'm gonna make more stuff about text animation, so make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. Until next time, and stay creative!